I'm Holly, I'm the head of sales for Studio Pens, and we're here with Kaweco. In terms of products and newness, we still continue to do very, very well with our sport range in plastics, particularly the fountain pen, rollable and pencils. We do a pencil in a mechanical version, which is a 0.7 lead, and we also do a 3.2mm lead clutch pencil. We are also launched this year the Kaweco Lunar Sport in Shadow Green. This year we have Kaweco's coolest ever DIY sport colour. That is the Kaweco DIY Sport Glow in the Dark. We've had a fantastic reception to the product. In terms of sustainability, as all of our products are refillable, we always try to fix everything that we have in terms of our, in our product arena. We're not chipping, we're not throwing things in the bin. If we can get you a new cap or a new nib or a new barrel, we will find that for you, and that's the best way we can. We have a repair service at Studio Pens, our head office in Harrogate, and we will do everything we can to fix a pen rather than putting a pen in the bin.